Good morning, everyone. I am Nikos Rafael M. Nonato from BSCE 3A. Here is my presentation for current transportation issues that I have encountered during my travel or commute from your home going to school and from my school going to home. Good morning, everyone. So, for context, I live in Metro Park Village, Barangay Magang, Daet, Camarines Norte. So it starts from home and I'm turning right to the Maharlika Highway until I go to F. Pimentel Avenue where my school CNSC is located. So for context, I live in so while listening to the problems and sentiments of my fellow classmates regarding their daily commute, I can't help but realize how privileged and fortunate I am to have my own private vehicle to get to school. I have the freedom to leave at any time I choose. I don't have to endure long hours of waiting just to secure a seat and I get to travel in comfort. And dati nagko-commute rin ako at minsan naglalakad pa nga pauwi since I can say walking distance lang from school to home. So I'm very thankful talaga sa parents ko for letting me borrow their car. However, this doesn't mean that I'm completely free from transportation issues myself. There are still times when I face my own set of challenges on the road. So while listening to the problems and sentiments of my so the first current transportation issue that I encounter is the poor road conditions located at Pasig, Daet Cam Norte. So yung mga kalsada, mayroong potholes, uneven pavement, narrow roads, and flooding that can make driving difficult and unsafe, lalo na pag rainy season at yun nga, may mga naka-illegal park. So the first current transportation next transportation issue is the narrowed road due to illegal parking at F. Pimentel Avenue. So, kasama na dito yung undisciplined motorists, like yung mga sudden lane changes, speeding, collisions can cause unexpected delays that can block roads and it is a issue sa transportation nowadays. Dito sa next, transportation. So, another is the heavy rains while going to school. Bad weather condition definitely poses significant transportation issues impacting safety, saka yung efficiency and operational costs across various modes of transport. And it can cause potential accidents, delays, and disruptions. Tapos lalo na yung sa visibility issues, yun nga kapag masyadong malakas yung ulan, can create hazardous driving conditions. So another is the heavy rains while going to school. So another current transportation issue lang na i-add ko lang, not included to sa destination ko to school, is the bridge works at Daet Camarines Norte, yung sa Maharlika Highway, where ongoing roadworks can cause detours, lane closures, slower traffic flow. So it can cause hazards nga to motorists and vehicles kasi it can cause narrow roads. So another current transportation issue lang na